The 5 best superfoods everyone should know about. You've been told 1,000 times to eat more superfoods. It's the golden rule of modern health advice, right? But what does that actually mean? Let's be real. The term superfood is more of a marketing buzzword than a scientific one. The aisle is crowded with goji berries, spirulina powders, and exotic roots you can't even pronounce. They're supposed to be healthy, but it's confusing. Which ones actually deliver the most powerful punch for your health goals? What if I told you that you don't need a pantry full of expensive, obscure ingredients to really transform your health? What if you could just focus on 5 powerhouse foods? 5 delicious, scientifically backed superfoods that can support your goals, whether it's losing weight, protecting your heart, or keeping your mind sharp as you age. Well, that's exactly what we're doing today. We're cutting through the hype and getting straight to what works. I am going to reveal the top 5 most effective superfoods that give you the absolute most bang for your buck. For each one, I'll break down the science of why it works and then give you incredibly simple, practical ways to get them on your plate, starting today. Whether you want to drop a few pounds, feel more energetic, or keep your brain sharp for decades, this list is your new blueprint. Let's get into it. We're going to count them down from 5 to 1, and trust me, you're going to want to stick around for number 1. We're kicking things off with a powerhouse that is often misunderstood. Superfood number 5, nuts, almonds, walnuts, and pistachios. Coming in at number 5, we have nuts, specifically almonds, walnuts, and pistachios. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Aren't nuts full of fat? Aren't they fattening? This is one of the biggest myths in nutrition, and it's time we put it to bed for good. Yes, nuts are rich in fats, but they are overwhelmingly the healthy kinds of fats your body desperately needs to thrive. The type of fat you eat is far more important than the total amount. Nuts are packed with monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are absolute heroes for your heart health. These good fats help lower your levels of LDL, cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that can clog arteries, while helping to raise HDL, the good cholesterol. Let's break this down by goal. First, weight management. The combo of healthy fat, protein, and fiber in nuts makes them incredibly satiating. This means they make you feel full and satisfied for a long time. Snacking on a small handful of almonds will keep you feeling fuller much longer than a snack high in refined carbs, like crackers. This helps crush cravings and can reduce your overall calorie intake without you even realizing it. The myth that you should avoid nuts when trying to lose weight is just that, a myth. In fact, they are one of your best allies in the fight against hunger. Next up, heart health. This is where nuts truly shine. Almonds are fantastic for cardiovascular health, but walnuts bring a secret weapon. They are one of the richest plant-based sources of a type of omega. A3 fatty acid called omega-3 South are renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties and their ability to support a healthy heart. Studies have shown that regular consumption of walnuts can lead to improvements in resting blood pressure and even reduce your blood pressure response during times of stress. And finally, healthy aging, specifically brain health. Your brain is about 60% fat, so it needs a steady supply of good fats to work right. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, a potent antioxidant linked to a slower rate of cognitive decline as we age. Vitamin E helps protect the delicate cells in your brain from oxidative stress. Walnuts, with their high concentration of omega-3 South, are often called the ultimate brain food. These fats are critical for building and repairing brain cells and reducing inflammation in the brain. Think of it as providing the essential building blocks your brain needs to stay sharp. So, how do you use them? It's simple. Aim for a small handful, about 1/4 cup or 30 grams per day. That's it. Have them as a standalone snack to get you through that 3 p.m. slump. Chop them up and sprinkle them over your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Toss them into salads for a boost of texture and nutrients. The key is consistency. Make this small, delicious addition a daily habit. Superfood number 4. At number 4, we have a food that went from relative obscurity to a global health phenomenon, pronounced quinoa. This ancient food, often mistaken for a grain, is technically a seed. It has earned its superstar status for one big reason. It is one of the few plant-based foods that is a complete protein. What does that mean? Proteins are made of building blocks called amino acids. There are 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own. You have to get them from food. Most plant foods are missing 1 or more of these, but quinoa contains all 9. This makes it a game changer, especially for those on plant-based diets, but really for anyone looking to boost their nutrition. A single cooked cup contains about 8 grams of high-quality protein and over 5 grams of fiber. Let's see how quinoa measures up. For athletic performance, quinoa is a champion. The combination of complete protein and complex carbs makes it perfect fuel for your body. The complex carbs in quinoa are released slowly, providing sustained energy for your workouts. After your workout, those 9 essential amino acids get to work repairing muscle fibers, which is how you build strength and recover. Quinoa contains lysine, an amino acid that plays a vital role in protein synthesis and muscle repair. It's also packed with minerals like magnesium for muscle function and iron, which helps transport oxygen to your muscles. When it comes to weight management, quinoa is a powerhouse. That 1-2 punch of protein and fiber is incredibly effective at promoting satiety, which means it helps you feel fuller for longer. A diet rich in fiber is consistently linked to healthier body weight. Plus, the high protein content has a slightly higher thermic effect of food, meaning your body burns more calories digesting protein compared to fats and carbs. For heart health, quinoa is an unsung hero. The soluble fiber in quinoa can help lower total and LDL bad cholesterol levels. Some studies have shown that daily consumption of quinoa can lead to modest but significant reductions in LDL cholesterol. So, how do you actually use this stuff? First, a pro tip. Rinse your quinoa. It has a natural coating called saponin that can taste a bit bitter. A quick rinse under cold water solves this. To cook it, the ratio is simple. 1 part quinoa to 2 parts water or broth. Bring it to a boil, then simmer, cover, and cook for about 15 minutes until the water is absorbed. Fluff it with a fork, and you're good to go. Make a big batch at the beginning of the week and use it as a base for lunch bowls, a swap for rice, or even in a breakfast bowl with berries and nuts. Hey, just a quick interruption. If you're finding this video helpful, do me a huge favor and tap that like button below. It really helps the channel out. And if you want to make sure you do UNT miss out on more deep dives into health and nutrition, hit that subscribe button too. All right, let's get back to it. Superfood number 3. Spinach, charging in at number 3, is a food that's way more than just cartoon fuel for Popeye. I'm talking about spinach. This leafy green is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Calorie for calorie. It's overflowing with vitamins, minerals, and powerful plant compounds, including iron, calcium, magnesium, and vitamins A, C, and K. Let's look at spinach through the lens of our goals. Starting with heart health, spinach is one of the best natural sources of dietary nitrates. Don't confuse these with the unhealthy kind in processed meats. The nitrates in spinach are converted by your body into nitric oxide, a molecule that helps your blood vessels relax and dilate. This improves blood flow and can help lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. This brings us directly to athletic performance. That same nitric oxide boosting effect is a massive advantage for athletes. By improving blood flow, dietary nitrates from sources like spinach enhance the delivery of oxygen to your muscles during exercise. This means your muscles can work more efficiently. You can go harder for longer, and you'll feel less fatigued. Now for healthy aging, and this one might surprise you, spinach is a vision-protecting superstar. It is loaded with 2 powerful antioxidants called lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds accumulate in the retina of your eye, where they act like internal sunglasses, filtering out harmful blue light and protecting your eyes from damage. Research shows that a diet rich in lutein and zeaxanthin can significantly reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, 2 of the leading causes of vision loss in older adults. So, how do you get more spinach in your life? The great thing is its versatility. For maximizing lutein and zeaxanthin, studies show that cooked spinach makes these nutrients more absorbable, but raw spinach is great too. Throw a huge handful into your morning smoothie, promise you won't even taste it. Use it as the base for your salads. Saute it with garlic and olive oil for a quick side dish. Wilt it into pasta sauces, soups, or stews in the last few minutes of cooking. It's one of the easiest veggies to add to meals you're already making. Superfood number 2, salmon. Sliding into our number 2 spot is the king of fatty fish. Salmon. This is a food that nutritionists and doctors universally praise, and for good reason. Salmon is packed with nutrients, but its claim to fame is its ridiculously high content of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These are essential fats that play a crucial role in your brain and heart health. Beyond that, it's a phenomenal source of high-quality protein, B vitamins, and hard-to-get nutrients like vitamin D and selenium. Let's dive into what makes salmon so powerful. For heart health, salmon is an MVP. The evidence is overwhelming. The American Heart Association recommends eating fatty fish like salmon at least twice a week. The omega-3s work their magic in several ways. They help lower triglycerides, a type of fat in your blood. They can modestly reduce blood pressure, and they have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Now, for healthy aging, let's talk about the brain again. If walnuts are the brain food of the plant world, salmon is the brain food of the animal kingdom. The omega-3, known as DHA, is a primary structural component of your brain and retina. Getting enough DHA is crucial for maintaining brain function throughout your life and has been shown to help protect against age-related cognitive decline. It's literally the building blocks for a healthy, functioning brain. And for weight management, don't sleep on salmon. The powerful combination of high-quality protein and healthy fats makes it incredibly satiating. A piece of salmon for dinner will keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours, preventing late-night snacking. The protein also helps preserve your muscle mass when you're managing your weight, which is crucial because muscle helps you burn more calories at rest. So, how do you incorporate salmon? Aim for 2 servings a week, where a serving is about 3 to 4 ounces. You might wonder about wild-caught versus farm-raised salmon. Both are excellent sources of omega-3. The most important thing is to choose salmon that is sourced responsibly. Cooking salmon is easy. Bake it on a sheet pan with veggies. Pan-sear it for a crispy skin, or grill it. Canned salmon is also a fantastic and affordable option for salmon salads or flaked into pasta. Superfood number 1, blueberries. And here we are. The number 1 It's small, it's delicious, and it is an absolute nutritional juggernaut. Our top superfood is blueberries. Don't let their size fool you. Blueberries are consistently ranked among the fruits with the highest antioxidant activity. Their deep blue-purple color comes from a class of flavonoids called anthocyanins. These anthocyanins are the key to many of blueberries' incredible health benefits, acting as powerful anti-inflammatory agents and neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. Let's see why blueberries take the top spot. For healthy aging, blueberries are second to none, often nicknamed brainberries for a reason. A growing body of research links regular blueberry consumption to improved cognitive function and a slower rate of age-related mental decline. Studies have shown that the anthocyanins in blueberries appear to protect the brain by enhancing signaling between brain cells and improving blood flow to the brain. When it comes to heart health, blueberries are a powerhouse. The same anthocyanins that protect your brain also work wonders for your cardiovascular system. Studies have shown that regular blueberry intake can help keep arteries flexible and healthy, which can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. For athletic performance, blueberries can help you recover faster. Intense exercise creates oxidative stress and inflammation in your muscles. The powerful anti-inflammatory effects of blueberries can help mitigate this exercise-induced damage, leading to quicker muscle recovery and less soreness. And for weight management, blueberries are a great choice. They are high in fiber and water, but relatively low in calories. This means you can eat a satisfying volume of them, helping you feel full and curbing your sweet tooth without derailing your goals. Getting your daily dose of blueberries is easy and delicious. The great news is that frozen blueberries are just as nutritious as fresh ones, sometimes even more so, because they are frozen at peak ripeness, which preserves the nutrients. Aim for about a cup a day. Add them to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Blend them into smoothies, or just eat them by the handful. So there you have it. The top 5 superfoods that deliver a powerful, scientifically backed punch for your health. We started with the healthy fats and brain-boosting power of nuts at number 5. Then, the complete protein and sustained energy of quinoa at number 4. At number 3, the nitrate-rich, vision-protecting powerhouse, spinach. Coming in at number 2, the king of omega-3 salmon. And finally, our #1 champion for healthy aging and antioxidant power, the mighty blueberry. The most powerful thing about this list is how accessible these foods are. You don't need to hunt for exotic ingredients or spend a fortune. These are everyday foods that, when added to your routine consistently, can lead to extraordinary health outcomes. Remember, you don't have to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Just pick one food from this list and find a simple way to add it to your routine this week. Small, consistent changes are what lead to massive, lasting results. You have the power to take control of your health, and it can start with your very next meal. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 superfoods is your favorite? Or which one are you most excited to try adding to your diet? Let me know in the comments section below. I read every single one. And if you want more evidence-based guides to help you optimize your health, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.